This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn on error GOTO statement in GW basic programming language. So this command enables error trapping feature of GW basic and specify the first line of error handling routine. Its syntax is on error go to line number. Now we will discuss the interpretation. Line number is a valid line number in the program. Error handlers in GW basic are turned on with an on error go to statement. It is often used at the beginning of the program so that errors occurred anywhere in the program can be trapped. When an error occurs during the program execution, the control immediately transfers to the specified line number. This line number specifies the beginning of a user-defined error handling routine which processes the error accordingly. The errors can be handled in direct as well as indirect mode. In GW basic, each possible error has been assigned a unique code. When an error occurs, its code is assigned to a special variable named ERR and the line number where the error was encountered is assigned to another special variable named ERL. The ERR and ERL are reserved words. GW Basic needs to know when it has finished handling an error. We can exit from an error handling routine using the resume next, resume line number, or end statement. The resume statement returns the execution to the statements that caused the error and tries to execute it again. Hence, we should only use this statement if the program or the user were somehow able to fix from the statement immediately following the statement that caused error, and resume line number resumes the execution at the specified line number. So we're gonna type a program, we'll understand the concept of on error GOTO statement. So we'll switch to the IDE of GW Basic viewers. So here we are, we'll type a program. At line number 10 we'll type on error GOTO 70. So this is the syntax you're going to use at the beginning of the program at line number 10. At line number 20 we'll type input enter first number, and that will be n1%. You know very well that the percentage sign is used to declare the data type integer type. So we have declared n1 as an integer, and at line number 30 we type enter second number, and we will give a variable name n2%. This way. Line number 40 we will type r%. It's a variable which is gonna calculate the sum of n1% and plus n2%. Line number 50 we will type print result equal to semicolon R%. Line number 60 we will type and line number 70 we will type print error code equal to sign double quotes semicolon ERR. Line number 80 type print error line. Error is on line number semicolon double quote semicolon ERL. Line number 90 we will again type and now gonna press the enter key and we'll press the F4 key to save this program. We'll type on error go on error.bs is the name of the program. I'm gonna type and load it again, type and on error.bs. Now we'll press the F2 key. So we will give the first value 400 second as 450, so the result is 850. And again if we press F2 key again, type 4000, type 4500, so the result is 8500. And if give a large value like this, we give 4000 something like that, and now there's an error code. The code is 6 and error is on line 20. And if you see at line number 20, we will list this program and we'll see that at line number 20 you can see since you can see that at line number 20 we will try to give the value. We have given a large value which cannot be calculated, so we can see the error is on line number 20. We have given a very large value. Likewise, if we again run this program, give a value like 40,000, again it does not accept it. If again we run this program, give 950 and 1000, then the result is 1950. Again we run the program, type 1000 and again give the value 1000. The answer is 2000 since we're gonna add it. But if we make a change, like if we edit the line number 40 and type like we actually multiply both these values, then you can see the result will be changed and we will receive a larger value instead. Now I'm gonna multiply n1 with n2, so let's see what happens. Now I'm gonna save it. We'll press save on error.bas. Now we'll load it, press F3 and again type on error.bas. Now we'll run it and now we'll give first value as 400, second as 450. Now we are gonna multiply both these values, then you can see where viewers error is on line number 40 and the error code is 60. Means that the data type of the variables we have assigned in the programs are integer, which is denoted by the percentage sign, and the multiplied value stored in the R variable R%. But since you can see that the result of both these values is out of range, that's why you can see the error is on line number 40. Let's see what is we have mentioned in the line number 40. Line number 40 is the here we have assigned the multiplication of both these variables n1 and n2 stored in R%. So both the multiplication, the product of both these values cannot be stored in R% because since it's an integer type, and the total we're gonna have is overflow the range of the variable data type. So we will again now interpret the program result. So here we're gonna interpret the program like here R is an integer variable and the result of 400 into 450 cannot be stored in it, hence an overflow error occurs with code number 6, which is assigned to the variable ERL. So that's all for today, and we have learned today on our GOTO statement. We have learned the definition, syntax, interpretation, syntax, definition, interpretation, program, its output, and the explanation of the program as well with the output. What is ERL, what is ERR, and what is the code number. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.